Hi, welcome to Yoyol. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an assessment quickly and easily. From your dashboard, click on New Assessment, and immediately Yoyol invites you to describe what you want. This is where your assessment creation begins. Math, English, a specific topic, any grade or curriculum. You simply type in your assessment requirements and click Start Composing. Yoyol's AI will generate an assessment based on your prompts. Everything you described appears neatly organized: the description, the subject, curriculum, and class. You take a moment to review, and with one click on Continue, you're ready to finalize. Now you're on the assessment preview page. Here you can review all generated questions and navigate through the tabs to see In Progress, Assessments, Submissions, and Assessment Settings. You scroll through, making sure everything is perfect. Also, you can explore everything, including questions, and check for answers. And printing? Yes, you can. Exporting? In one click. Sharing with parents or students? Instantly. Yoyol makes every step feel natural. When you're ready to publish, choose who can access the assessment: public, authenticated users, or a specific class. You set a time limit. Set Auto Assessed. Enable hints. Decide if results appear instantly. Also, you can turn on anti-cheating protections, like requiring names, emails, or IDs. You even choose the number of attempts, track tab switching, adjust question display, and set time zone and availability. Satisfied with everything, you click Publish. Yoyol gives you the link, ready to copy or open immediately. Just like that, your assessment is live and ready for your learners. Fast, simple, and powerful. That's how Yoyol helps you create the perfect assessment every time.